Here's a simple way to send coins to a crypto wallet address with just few taps. Sending coins to another cryptocurrency wallet is straightforward with Kochure. Whether you're transferring to a friend, a different wallet, or making payments, follow the simple steps to send coins quickly and securely. First, launch the Kochure app on your device and log in. Tap on the Portfolio tab at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your portfolio where you can see all your crypto balances. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send from your wallet. Tap on the coin like Bitcoin to open its options. Tap on the send button. Enter the wallet address of the person or entity you're sending the coins to. Choose the blockchain network type from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will display the equivalent amount in cryptocurrency for reference. Review all the details of the transaction. Once you're sure all the information is correct, tap the Send Now button. Enter your PIN and the OTP sent to your email address. Then tap Continue. The app will process your transaction immediately.